right, take a look at this. Looking for a affordable drop top classic car for summer? Here you go, 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Now this particular car is springtime yellow. That's the color it would originally came from Ford back in 1966. Decoding the data tag number 8 paint code on it, as well as a 26 for the interior, which would be a black standard vinyl interior, which it also has. So this car appearing just the way it would have back in 1966. This car was actually with the same family for quite some time. Unfortunately, the husband passed away a few years back, and the wife has decided to sell it, just not driving it enough, and wanted to pass it on to somebody else that will enjoy it and have some fun in the summer with it. This car is powered by an inline 6 underneath the hood, which is also what it came with from Ford. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, go ahead and check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. And you just see up and down the side of this, not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. I would call it a nice driver quality paint. There is a little wear spot on the interior driver's seat where it's ripped a little bit, the vinyl. You can see it there, and I'll show you when I get around to the driver's side. You can also see it does have the 3-speed manual transmission with it. This was actually a Los Angeles DSO car, so California car, and it appears in very nice shape. If you look at these taillight bezels, lots of times you'll see corrosion on those. Rear bumper, you can see how nice that is. Gas cap, and then of course this bezel over here, just not showing the corrosion like you see when they're in inclement weather. Now remember, if you'd like to acquire on financing, we do offer financing on these classics. We do consider trades, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email. The car does have a power top. The top is white in color. It's a vinyl top. It does show a little bit of discoloring, a few little spots where there's some wear, but you can check that out in the still pictures. If you had to put this top up to keep you dry in any sort of rain, it would serve that purpose just fine. So top does function, but check out the still pictures, you'll see what I'm saying. Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And once again, call us 507-386-1726. See the convertible boot in nice shape. Rear seats and everything are good. You can see it does have seat belts. Here's that one spot where there's a little wear, where it's ripped, so you could put a new seat cover on this seat or have an upholsterer fix it. Either way. Now, I did play around. The wipers do work in this car, and it has had some maintenance done to it also. It does have a new tank, sending unit, brakes, exhaust manifold, and the carb was rebuilt, so some maintenance recently done to this car too. I'm going to go ahead and pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay, see how nice and tidy that is. I tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second just so I can get that hood open. You don't have to deal with the camera jumping around, so give me 1 second, we'll get this hood popped. Alright, here you go. Look how smooth this thing runs. Wow. Sounds good too. Purrs like a Swiss watch, they say. Look at that. So there you go. Like I said, you're looking for an affordable summer drop top, have a little fun with. Get into the classic car hobby. Here it is, 1966 Ford Mustang in springtime yellow, just the way it would have came from Ford back in 1966. Has had a repaint along the way, but still in that original color. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call or email.